Dollar index monthly time frame, big static support, parallel channel lower trend line, and this recent wave through retracement, everything breaking down. Monday is your last day of first half of this year and second quarter. June month last day. Be careful because I think this can be trap. Either something happen Sunday and Monday market sentiment change, but July they have to do something because now dollar is crossing limit. Because this is very shocking. In the beginning, dollar was falling, gold was flying. Shocking action in gold. But now dollar down and gold down both at the same time last week. So this is very dangerous thing for dollar because big dollar now have no effect on gold. And everyone is fighting for reserve currency status. So gold is winning and dollar is losing its status as reserve currency. So let's see when turn come. Monday last day or July month. All the big news ISM service PMI, NFP they will come. But in Trump era, all those economic indicators almost have no value. But all the monthly time frame support breaking down. Gold weekly time frame on this top almost 3 years ago, everything was normal. In recession, old system was working great. But on this low, 3 years later, second quarter 2025, because of stagflation crisis, very shocking, weak dollar have almost no effect on gold. Last week, all the time, gold was crashing very hard. If we see wave counting, first bearish trend, wave A, then ABCD triangle chart pattern correction, wave V. Right now we are in final wave C. Based on projection from this low to this high, target is 95,673. And we have to see technically price test this level or reverse before retest. Monday last working day, then July month start, new quarter and second half of this year. Let's see when they panic on dollar. But based on Elliott wave theory, this is your downside target 95,673. If this level retest, then you can start buying dollar and targeting full retracement back to 99 level. DXY daily time frame, this trend line, fake breakout, now price falling again, multiple red candlestick. So it is making new range low. Fed Powell giving hawkish speech repeatedly, but they have almost no effect on dollar, still falling. Because shocking thing is, after Friday market close, before your Monday market open, Trump have new news where he again giving big shock as politician, independent central bank. He is saying they should cut interest rate back to 1%. He will choose any central banker but who is willing to cut interest rate. Official day is May 2026, but he is saying October this year announcement, February next year 2026 they will have appointment of new Fed chair. If Trump said what market should do, what you can expect on interest rate policy, then what is the role of Fed chair? This is a big fight between Trump and Powell. Who will shape market expectation for Fed monetary policy? The Trump or Fed chair Powell? Powell forecasting a stagflation, higher interest rate, but Trump is saying back to 1%. These are the reason dollar is constantly falling. Money is going everywhere. EURUSD weekly time frame after this giant ABC flat correction. We are in wave C, but price is still there below 100% projection 19,165. If price fly more, that will be upside target where you can start selling aggressively. That's mean buying dollar and selling other currency. So let's see how it start. Reversal come before technical level, or DXY and Euro USD both hit projection target before reversal. GPUSD weekly time frame, it is breaking this trend line. Monday is the last working day. When July start, they have to do something about weak dollar. So we are still bearish on GPUSD. Let's see, it is fake breakout or liquidity SL hunting before big reversal. USDCAD daily time frame, Trump is still playing with their trade war politics, but compared to other pair, low survived only retracement last week. While currency like Euro USD, GBPUSD, they range breakout made new high, but shocking USDCAD only retrace. So watch carefully if dollar become strong starting July month. If it make new high without testing previous low, then high chance reversal started, and one by one you will target all the resistance, because this look like wave 1, first wave of tariff, correction 2, wave 3, then ending trend chart pattern in 5th wave. This is the peak tariff. Slowly Trump pivot and near 135. FOMC made clear until Trump reduced tariff, they will not cut interest rate. USD CHF, you can see H1 time frame, a big parallel channel, upper and lower trend line testing again and again. So lower trend line retest, that's mean you trade with bullish bias and target retest of upper trend line. But watch carefully USD CHF weekly time frame. You have 0% rate one side, more than 5% interest rate one side, but still investor buying CHF, not dollar, and that is big reserve currency crisis. But once price close above 0.83 level, that will be clear reversal. But I think June was peak selling and July reversal coming. US oil chart saying loud and clear that was fake war, pump then vertical term, and it was used to manipulate FOMC statement. The June FOMC meeting 2025, when Fed officially said they will pause interest rate because of higher oil price because of war. FOMC over, war over, and big vertical reversal. Pure pump and dump. If bar propaganda is over, 78-hour resistance, risk up to new lower low below 56. Very strange, silver is sideways doing nothing, but gold crashing very hard last week. Last 2 weeks vertical down, but silver no change sideways. So price near upper part of this parallel channel, it is locked pure sideways compared to gold. Very shocking, silver doing nothing, but downside risk up to the test of lower trend line. Nvidia stock almost vertical, made new high last week. Before Fed start rate cut once again, AI bubble, they have new all-time high in Nvidia stock. In that condition, you cannot cut interest rate, because if you cut, inflation expectation will rise again and market front running Fed policy easing. So you have very weak dollar constantly falling since beginning of the year. You have stock trading at all-time high. In this condition, if you cut, you can never fix stagflation. So either Fed do dovish cut or delay cut more, at least till September. SP 500 monthly time frame trend line major retest when big pivot on tariff. Now market made new all-time high. Tariff deadline coming before July month start, second half of this year and third quarter. In 2023, remember this 3 red candlestick when Powell said no recession. Same line he said last week once again, no recession. There is a recession, but blindly ignoring and very weird sign for stocks. You saw in 2023, this thing can repeat again. So Fed clearly hawkish, ignoring recession, that is bad. Predicting stagflation, that is also bad. Now all depends on Trump tariff. You have seen every time when stock goes down, he cut tariff. So based on price action, now it is time for him to hike tariff. So let's see what market react on UR rate and NFP number. But before that, Powell already gave forecast no recession. So this place is not for buying, profit taking. Be ready with their sell setup. 100% projection for wave C. Last time we had ending and chart pattern. This time no chart pattern. So we have to wait for trigger. So watch carefully this dollar index daily time frame trend line. Only trend line breakout is only technical confirmation.